How to draw an Xbox controller. We are going to start off by drawing the left side. For this, we will draw a diagonal line going downwards that curves inwards. Awesome job! Now we are going to draw the same shape on the right side. Then we are going to connect the two sides of our controller by drawing a straight line across the middle. Now we are going to finish drawing the top outline of our Xbox controller. Starting from the top left side of our controller, we are going to draw a line going inwards towards the right. Then we are going to go to the top right of our controller and draw a line going inwards towards the left, the same way that we just drew the other one. Awesome job! Learn how to draw hub crew. Now we are going to draw a small diagonal line going downwards from both of those lines. Then we will connect them in the middle with a small line going across. Wow, learn how to draw hub crew. The outline of our controllers are looking awesome. Now we are going to draw the left bumper on our Xbox controller. For this, we will draw a small line going upwards from the left side of our controller and then a line going towards the right. Then to finish drawing the left bumper, we will draw a small diagonal line from the bumper to the controller. Awesome job! Learn how to draw hub crew. Now we are going to draw the right bumper the same way. Looking awesome! Now we are going to draw a straight line going across, connecting the two bumpers. For the next step, we are going to draw the home button on our Xbox controller in the middle underneath that straight line that we just drew. For this, we will draw triangle-like shapes going in a circle shape. Then in between those triangle-like shapes will be the X. Looks awesome! Learn how to draw hub crew. Next, we are going to draw the rest of the buttons on our Xbox controller. The first one that we are going to draw will be the left joystick right here. For this, we will first draw a circle. Then inside of that circle, we will draw a smaller circle. Then lastly, we will draw one more circle. You could draw this one inside of that smaller circle or outlining the smaller circle. Great job! Learn how to draw hub crew. Now we are going to draw the right joystick the same way right here. Awesome job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew. Our drawings are looking so good. Now we are going to draw 2 buttons right here and here. Next, we are going to draw the directional pad, starting with a big circle right here. Then we are going to draw a plus sign shape inside of that circle. Now for the final step, we are going to draw 4 circles right here. These will be for the A, B, X, and Y buttons. When we are all done drawing the circles, we are going to draw an A in the bottom circle, a B in the right circle, a Y in the top circle, and an X in the left circle. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. I'm sure your drawings came out awesome and I can't wait to see them, so make sure to share on Instagram by using hashtag LearnHowToDrawHub. Also, if this video helped you out, give it a big like below and stick around until the end to see our drawing all colored in. See you next time, Learn How to Draw Hub crew.
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.